słońce, latino słońce mnie prawi srećem i najwesel. Ti ne znaješ koliko te sakam, moram ne zimajte go moje to sonce. You are my sunshine. Nicer than that one. I mean, honestly, it's much more prettier. So a few things about this place. I will have it's written here, the name of the location. A huge massive resort hotel is being built for 2 years now, and this probably in the next 2 years it's gonna be totally different area. Probably sunbeds, taverna, and no access for campers. Definitely that's gonna be a thing. The other thing is that there are actually people with caravans and tents here. So even though for yesterday's spot we heard that the Coast Guard came and chased all the tenters, I don't know what is happening here, because this is like permanent campers and they are tents, so I don't think they are bothered. There is a changing room and there are trash containers. In the previous spot there weren't. I will do a bit more recon here to see if there is something else interesting, but in general it's a good spot. This is our view from exactly the caravan.
So today we are making something different. I want to try to cook rice in the what is it called, pizza oven, whatever it's called. So let's see how it goes.
Multi-cooker.
What is it?
Multi-cooker.
Okay, multi-cooker. Very nice. Yum, yum, yum. The meat is done. The rice is done. Look at that. Meat is super tender. Perfect.
Familiar sound from Sweden last year. Yeah, again, same problem with the tire. Deflating, not so much, but still deflating. Today we are changing location because the beach became very windy, huge waves, we cannot swim properly. So we're gonna go somewhere else. We're gonna find something else, something nice. Because the island itself, Evia, is so beautiful and so diverse that you can enjoy different things. Mountains, canyons, rivers, or beautiful beaches. So have a good morning and let's see what this day will bring. We are in the village Agi Apostoli. It's very close to our beach where we stayed, and like it looks like a holiday village. I don't think this is alive during winter, but so far now what I saw, there are 2 big supermarkets, a few tavernas, cafe, creperie, and pastry. And also we are now at the pier, at the port. There is water, so we're gonna tank up 2-3 buckets of water. Bye bye. Over there is fish. We must get some. Look. Karystos. I didn't have the fish that we would like to have, so nothing. Let's get some fruits and be on our way. This big. Ah, gotovo? We came to the marked on the map beach, but here is even more wavy than on the previous beach. This one is much more small. It's very nice. There is no there now. It's quite convenient, but yeah, I don't think we're gonna stay here. Driving the southern part of South Evia, the like super south, and with this highway, this is not a highway, what you will see on the map is like a 100 years old road, and there is nobody, it's only us on the road. There are few settlements or houses along the way, but not many. 1 or 3 fountains, so you can stop anywhere, sleep wherever you want, nobody will bother you. And there is only wind turbines because it's super windy. Our van is shaking like this, and there are roads that are like serpentine where that were made for trucks that were delivering the turbines. So I mean, the road is very doable for 6.5, 7 meter van, but for everything big, because trucks are coming here. But on Park for Night there is nothing like beach or anything where you can stop, and I was like, why there is nothing? People are not coming here. And yes, Evia is not touristy at all, only for local tourists, for Greeks, but foreigners we saw few. So yeah, and I was thinking that we're gonna find somewhere to put on the map, but there is simply nothing here. Now we are descending towards the east coast to see if we can find some nice beach there, and yeah, nothing here. So stuck in the south part of Evia, because like even on the maps it shows that there is a loop, or Google Maps do not attempt to make a loop on the south part of Evia. No way. So there is some rock, maybe if you have some badass 4x4 Jeep SUV truck you can do it, but for our vehicle it was totally impossible, and we got stuck in a village, and then we had to go further down to some really tiny road and make a circle at the beach pier, which was, oh, the people were looking at us, they're like, what the hell? And so yeah, now we are going back from where we came from and trying to find a place where we can spend the night, because we are exhausted. Even though the miles are little, we got very tired. We finally arrived to a bigger urban area. We are in the town of Karystos, bigger touristic town with lots of tavernas, nice bay. And just as we were driving here, we saw a big wildfire over there, but it's being extinguished now. The firefighters were on the spot. We just saw a few of them. We're just speeding up, going to take action. Anyways, it was a very long day, getting lost on the road, and as I said, don't make a loop on the southern part of the island. It's not possible with this kind of a vehicle. Anyways, let's see which taverna we're gonna sit down in. Cheers, babe.
Cheers. Cheers, Mark.
Leaving Karystos and Karystos. This is what you need to do if you have a cat traveling with you
every single day.
So yeah, we had to leave. We would have stayed a night or two more, but it's getting extremely windy. Like, I don't know if you can manage to get what I'm saying, but it's extremely windy, so there's no point of staying here because we cannot sit on the beach. We cannot do anything. So yeah, I'm gonna wrap this video here and see you in the next one. Thanks you for following us. Bye.